What's going on, everybody? It's Chase, and today I'm going to be talking about my experience with Make Money Matt and how he's helped me propel my YouTube career and helped me significantly increase my income over the last few months of working with him. So I had the pleasure of meeting Matt, multiple months ago, probably 4 or 5 months ago to be exact. And around that time frame, I was doing about 50, 60, sometimes 70 grand a month on YouTube. YouTube is very up and down, so it fluctuates significantly, but I was roughly doing around 50 to 70 grand a month. And with that being said, I wanted to take things to the next level, so I decided to consult with Matt and work with him through multiple of his programs and his mentorship. And through the process, I've been able to significantly increase my income to around $100,000 a month. And on top of that, I've been able to learn a lot of YouTube secrets and niches that I never even knew existed. So Matt is definitely legit, super, super smart, way ahead of his years. I think he's 19 years old and he's probably gonna be making, multiple millions of dollars off of his YouTube channels a year very, very soon. He's already doing about 30,000 a month and he's scaling rapidly. I could truly attest to the fact that he is legit. He has the play buttons, he has the channels, he has the analytics to back it up. And overall, working with him was definitely worth it. And I will say right now that investing into any of his programs will be an amazing investment.